Hello, friends and people of the World Wide Web. Christopher Bueker here today with ChristopherBueker.com. And I am very excited to share the unpackaging of my first book. I'm very, very excited. I can't remember last time I've been this excited. Maybe when I got my longboard a couple months ago. Anyway, I just got back from a personal retreat that I did for myself. It was a self-guided retreat, and it was very blessed, and I feel very refreshed and well-rested. So thank you, Creator. And when I got back from this retreat, I saw 3 packages out in the front corridor, and I gasped for air because I totally forgot that my book is coming. And actually my book was supposed to arrive on June 1st, I believe. I don't remember. But those 3 packages, none of them had my name on it. So I was just like, oh well, I'll wait till tomorrow. And I took one of my belongings out to my car, and when I came back, I was like, I should probably check my mailbox because my first book would probably fit in there. And to my surprise, it wasn't there. And I thought I would like to share the unpackaging of my first book because I am so excited to be releasing this. I know my book is going to help lots of people in the world. Here it is, and you can tell it's the creator's version of it, and it looks fantastic. I am so happy with the final version of my book. My book is called Break Free of Chains: How to Help Your Child Recover from Pornography Addiction. And it is I'm so excited. It looks absolutely beautiful, and I'm so excited. And props to my graphic designer. His name is Mohammed Ahmad, I-M-M-A-D. He designed a beautiful cover, and he designed the interior cover. So thank you, Mohammed. And I'm just so excited to get this book out into the world. This one is this one's from Amazon. So yeah, I thought I would share that with you, and I hope you are having a wonderful day. If you know a parent whose child is struggling with pornography addiction, please definitely direct them to my work. ChristopherBueker.com has more information about my books, my blog, and the services, professional services that I offer. So thank you so much for your presence. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and namaste, my friends.